If your washing machine is not running or draining efficiently, or your clothes are coming out with too much lint, even after washing them, chances are the filter is clogged somewhere. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the washing machine filter so it can work well again. So for a Samsung front load model, which I have here, you want to clean the filter after 2 months. Do check out your washer or manufacturer's manual to know the frequency for cleaning your filter or where it's located. Here's what you want to do. Open this filter door here like this. This is so gross. First, you want to drain the water from this small drain hose here. Make sure you have a towel on your floors to catch any excess water. You can also use a dish or cup as well. Next, remove the filter right here. This is the culprit, y'all. Look how dirty it is and it smells. Ew. Now clean the inside of the filter compartment. Don't miss it out because there's some dirt hiding somewhere right there. If this filter is not cleaned as recommended, mold, mildew can also start growing. We don't want that because the smell will be passed to the clothes, which is not good, right? Spray your degreaser on the compartment door if it's nasty like the one I have, and clean that area real good with a cleaning brush. If you're getting any value from this video, may you hit that like button so the video can spread to more people. This will help the channel to grow as well. Thank you. Onto the filter now. Use a cleaning brush and cleaning product of your choice to clean it up. I'm using Crud Cutter. You can also use Dawn Power Wash or any good dish soap. The washing machine filter is all clean. Look at the transformation, y'all. You can try this at home. My job is done here. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.